Sealing of election papers after election at DO level. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to explain the procedure of sealing of election papers after the election at DO level. Cite the packets which shall be sealed by the bilingual secret seal of the returning officer. Sealing of election papers after the election at DO level. After declaration of result, these sealed papers, documents, packets shall be kept in the safe custody of DO. Printed paper slips taken out from the VVPATs and sealed in black envelopes. One envelope to be used for one VVT and shall be kept in a trunk. One trunk should contain envelopes of one AC or assembly segment. After declaration of result, these packets will be sealed by the bilingual secret seal of the returning officer, shall be kept in the safe custody of DO. Packet 1 containing accounts of votes, that is Form 17C, presiding officer's reports, Part 1, 2 and 3, printed VVPAT paper slips of the mock poll. They will be sealed in the black colored envelope. Packet 2 containing presiding officer's diary, register of voter, that is Form 17A, list of blind and infirm electors in Form 14A, and the declarations of the companions. Visit sheet. Packet 3 containing marked copy of the electoral roll, used and unused tender ballot papers along with the counterfoils, list of tender votes. Packet 4 containing working copy of electoral roll, appointment letters of the polling agents, election duty certificates, declarations by the presiding officers, receipt book, unused and damaged seals and special address tags, declarations of the electors, complaints to the SHO. These packets shall be kept in a steel trunk separately for each type of packet with a double lock system. Returning officer shall ensure that the bilingual secret seal supplied by the Commission is put on the packets only and not on any of the locks of the steel trunk. Candidates or their agents or the authorized representative shall be invited to remain present during the sealing process. They shall also be permitted to note down the number of the bilingual secret seal of the Commission. They can also affix their seals if they so desire. The entire sealing process shall be under CCTV coverage or the videography will be done. The CCTV coverage or the videography shall be done in such a way that entire sealing process is clearly visible. These packets of election papers shall not be opened and their contents shall not be inspected by or produced before any person or the authority except under the order of a competent court. In this educational video, we have learned about the sealing of election papers after the election at DO level. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.